So, hey guys, and I have seen you before, and you've never seen me. So, here's me and my friends, and a special guest. Oreo the kitten! My new kitten! He can dance! He can sleep! He can be cute! Look at those cute eyes. Those super cute eyes. They can't see the eyes. Get her into the light. Over here. Look at those super cute eyes. Look at it. Look at that Two-Face.
Say what?
If any of you are Marvel fans, you'll know what Two-Face is. Half her face is white and half her face is black.
Well,
it's
actually,
really cool.
1/4 of her faces.
You don't gotta be smart.
Well, I do. I love to be smart. Yeah.
Okay, now let's show her bedding arrangements.
Okay.
We'll be back in a bit, guys. We'll get her set up. This is her sleeping arrangements. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I might make it brighter.
Well, let's put it somewhere where the light can actually shine on her. Right here.
This is the cuteness that we own. Well, that I own.
Well,
and this is Jabanyan. And this is Jabanyan.
From Yokai Watch, that he basically only does videos of. Yeah.
Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag could be sponsored.
Wait, sure. Introduce that creeper.
And this is Dat Creeper Boy. This is... Wait, no. He's here. He's there. He's everywhere. He's Dat Creeper Boy.
Dude, literally, how many subscribers do you have?
0.
Wait, what? What?
Dude, I've only been a thing for like a month now.
How about any viewers?
Oh, I have a ton of viewers. I have like 5.
I'm gonna be it. Oh, come on, I want to be famous. Because I'm already very famous. Since
What's your YouTube channel?
Please don't tell me you exited out. It's okay. I like keeping it a secret. Well, yes.
Face of cuteness.
Dude, we need it in the light.
And no, they can see it.
They can?
This is the face of sweetness in your very eyes.
Meow.
Oh, she meowed. She might be hiding from you guys, but oop, now she's really hiding.
And now she's appearing.
Oh, look. They can't see it. It's too dark.
She's like, wee.
It's my ear.
I know, isn't that so cute?
There, I'll close it.
And Creeper shall blow her up.
No, do it. No, this is the perfect moment.
Turn it. And the Creeper shall blow her up. Flip it up.
Look at that. She can breathe still.
I know. Look, there's holes right
Oh, look at his face.
It's the Creeper.
Oh. And now for some us time with Oreo. We'll see you in a bit.
There's only the cat you can't see. Anthony's face.
She is purring.
I don't think you can hear it.
Sorry if you guys can't hear that.
Well, actually, I can hear it. See? Listen. See, you can hear it, but it sounds very odd. I don't know why, because I think I have something wrong with his voice or something. Wait, don't touch my hair! Don't touch my hair!
She is so cute!
Yeah! And look, hideous.
Dun dun dun! Dude, no, let's actually get her done.
No, dude, I'm literally gonna be a YouTuber with you, because I actually don't have a YouTube channel.
You don't?
Yeah, I don't. Dude, like I said.
Dude, you should.
The thing's still running.
Dude, she's so cute. Maybe we can get her to.
This. Can you? You don't see anything except for that cute. If you guys look
Okay,
very
boom.
hard to see, though.
Boom.
And now for some of our us time. Just kidding, only me. I'm just kidding.
Look at me, guys.
Dude,
What is this far away from me? Look at me, guys.
okay.
Your turn, Gianni.
Okay. Okay, dude, face it on the ground. Go. Wiggle, wiggle.
Do.
See, I'm good at doing the wiggle. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, now it's Oreo time again.
Okay, yeah, Oreo's the main guest.
Aww.
Oh, she's a rabbit.
She is so cute.
Dude, that was my first time doing the work.
Dude, the camera's still on.
Oh, yeah! Oh my gosh, I did that with her.
Look! Oh,
She's hatching! She's hatching!
She's hatching!
She hatched! We hatched the mighty eggs! That's so excellent!
You wanna let her out now? You wanna
Outside?
let her outside?
Yeah, let's show them the outside.
The outside world.
Yeah, just keep, yeah. Just keep it shining on our main guest.
Where she was going or anything.
Main guest.
I can't wait until I get the grass. Dude, you hit my kitty shoes.
We don't need shoes.
No?
No.
Okay. Let's just keep on walking.
Let's see if it's...
And
These are its sisters and brothers. There's Pasty.
let's let him
And there's-
run into the wild.
There's Oreo. And there's roasted marshmallow. And then Oreo running from Gianni. There's Pasty. Here's Graham. I'll be back in a little bit. Oh no.
Now it's actually time for our real stars. And now only us have Oreo right now. Like usual.
No. There's a cat over here.
Really?
No, it went under the... I saw Pasty go over here. Here.
I'm just waiting for Daddy.
Wait, is some milk still there?
It ran out. They drunk it all.
Oh. He was over here. He was over by the milk.
I know. See.
Okay, so we'll look for Oreo. We'll be back in a bit, guys.
Well, not in a bit. It takes hours to find Oreo.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here. We're gonna make another video once we get Oreo.
Yeah, dude.
Bye.
No. They gotta see my full body.
Whoop da 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 da. Whoop da 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 da
I gotta
da.
go on the brick so I can do that word.
Whoop da 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 da. Whoop da 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 da. No, can I do the music?
Sure.
Whoop da 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 da. Whoop da 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 da.
I'm better doing it on rugs, but yeah.
Okay, now for my ending sequence. And dude, and once we're done, you click this.
I know. Dude, you almost ended it.
Pause it.
That was odd.
And
Dude, it's odd.
no, it isn't. And bye. We'll see you next time.
Hi.
Bye.